Hey y'all, today I got this 2011 GMC Acadia. As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on parts and tools we use in today's project. Today we're going to be checking out this crankshaft position sensor. I watched a video on one earlier on the 4-wheel drive. Thank God this one is 2-wheel drive. I got up under there and I was like, oh, this doesn't look as near as bad as the video I watched. So I'm going to show you where it's at. The video I saw, he took the wheel off. You don't have to take the wheel off. I just kind of lifted it here in the front. You can see I got my jack right there, and that is where I lifted it. Always make sure, especially if you get under the vehicle, you're going to want to use a jack stand. Be very safe and chalk the wheels. And then I'll show you where it's at. And the 2-wheel drive is very easy. And this is it, guys. So that is your crank sensor. That's your knock sensor. It's going to be guarded by this little piece right here, and so there's a 10mm and a 15mm. You take that off, this just comes right off, and then you take this 10mm bolt off. I tried to just pull it out with my fingers. What I ended up doing was I took my little 90-degree pick, I got in there, kind of pried, twisted, and popped it out. And then once you have the old sensor out in your hand, then you will pull that red tab forward and then squeeze, disconnect your old sensor, then plug it back up, reinstall it, and that's it, guys. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The engine code, I'll make sure to just, put the engine code that comes with this problem, in the tags and the title and all that, so that way when you're searching for the engine code, you'll find it. Anyways, that's it, guys. Not too bad. If you do have 4-wheel drive, you're gonna have like I forgot what it's called. You're gonna have your big old 4-wheel drive thing here in the way, and you're gonna have to reach up in there and use a little finesse. I know the guy in the other video said he used an extension and a universal joint to get that 10 out. But that's it. Thanks for watching.